Okay, so as you can see here, this is the plastic granule. That is the beginning of liquid. That's the heat. And don't forget that we have 50 closer and we have 50 different colors. So meaning from the granules yellow, it becomes yellow bricks. It is green, then green bricks. So don't forget that it are 50 different kinds of granules. But here we use only exclusive. Dubai Legoland choose the yellow color. And these granules are really this is the injection unit, as you can see. Even you see here the massive production in other countries. So when the granules first in that start to hit it over 232, 310. So that is the temperature. Now since that is plastic, become melted, and then the screw will squeeze and push into the narrow tubes. Then that's the time. Remember the elephants freeze down together. That is the molding or the metal molding machine or the metal mold, right? So here you can see the product, and then these blocks will travel here for another stage. This is for the printer or the decoration machine. So first they applied this film a layer, and then they applied us one at a time, its colors and design. For example, here as you can see, there are 5 machines here. So there are 5 different colors. So it's depend of the picture we print, and then we will print one at a time. For example, one printer, one design, one color. Then we change, then one at a time.
This is paper printing.
No sir, for the bricks.
Okay.
It's the blocks going inside and prints for the plastic prints.
Okay. Okay.
Good job. Thank you.
शुक्ल बुझी पारल कौन प्लास्टिक प्रिंटिंग बुझी पारल कौन टा प्रिंट हो जी
ब्लॉक सब इन प्रिंट
अच्छा
ब्लॉक ऊपर
Organize the bricks. So that is the organize the bricks, and then the conveyor carries the bricks on the
ओ
top.
अच्छा आई सी व्हाट यू मीन
This is the packaging.
सही जो ग्रीन का जो प्रिंट है जिता पर दैट्स अच्छा Thank you. Oh, so this is the printing, right?
Yeah, this is the
Okay, the printed brick. Okay.
Thank you so much. The exit for what is the same area. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.